Hello friends! If your hair isn't growing or is falling out, make sure to watch this video till the end. Want to know the secret behind Indian girls' long and healthy hair? In this video, I'm sharing hair masks that not only promote growth, but also improve overall hair health. If you want to see miraculous changes in your hair in a short time, you must try these masks. 1. Rosemary and olive oil mask. For intense hair growth, add a handful of rosemary to a bowl and pour olive oil over it. Heat the mixture in a double boiler for 20 minutes. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to the prepared mask and mix. Apply the mixture to your scalp. How to use: leave the mask on for 1 hour, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use it twice a week. This mask boosts blood circulation, nourishes hair roots, and stimulates growth. 2. Castor oil mask, traditional remedy for faster growth. Warm 2 tablespoons of castor oil and massage it into your scalp. Spread the oil to the ends of your hair as well. How to use: keep the mask on for 1 hour and wash it off with a gentle shampoo. Apply it 2 to 3 times a week. Castor oil strengthens hair roots, prevents hair fall, and speeds up growth. 3. Egg and honey mask, strengthens and promotes growth. Mix 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair length. How to use: wait for 30 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Use it once a week. This mask nourishes the hair roots and helps hair grow faster. 4. Aloe vera and castor oil mask, for long and shiny hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair tips. How to use: leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash with lukewarm water. Use it once a week. This mask stimulates hair growth and adds a natural shine to your hair. 5. Coconut milk mask, a hydrating recipe for hair growth. Apply 1 cup of fresh coconut milk to your scalp and spread it through your hair length. How to use: keep the mask on for 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use it 1 to 2 times a week. Coconut milk nourishes hair roots, supports growth, and prevents hair loss. 6. Banana and olive oil mask. Mash half a banana and mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mask to your hair. How to use: leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse. Banana softens the hair, and when combined with olive oil, it gives a natural shine. After using this mask, my hair felt as smooth as silk. 7. Onion juice mask, for new hair growth and fast results. Grate 1 large onion and extract its juice. Massage the juice into your scalp. How to use: leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash with a mild shampoo. Use it 1 to 2 times a week. Onion juice stimulates hair roots and promotes the growth of new hair. 8. Fenugreek seed mask, a miracle for hair growth. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them into a paste and apply it to your scalp. How to use: keep the mask on for 30 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Use it once a week. Fenugreek seeds strengthen hair roots and boost hair growth. Which of these masks will you try? If you know other great recipes, share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to let us know your results in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss more helpful tips.